Hi,
Hey.
this is Christina
Yeah.
and Thomas. We're in level 3 and doing the third warm-up, so the last warm-up before we get into the acro. And what we're doing is not exactly a counterbalance, but it's another coordinated movement where we have to work with our partner. And I want to point out, like, this warm-up has a little bit of a risk, so it might be good to have someone spotting, or just to start really easily. I'm going to point out what the risk is in a moment once you see the pose. As a person on the ground, I'm going to lie down straight. I'm going to have my arms up. And Christina is going to go into the same pose on top of me. She's going to hold my ankles. And she's going to give me her ankles.
I'm going to give you my other ankle.
Yeah. And now we're in a kind of a box shape. Notice I'm compensating a little bit for her because she's shorter. So my arms are at a little bit of an angle.
Sorry about that.
No, it's cool. And now what we're going to do is now we're both going to sit up at the same time. Nice. And we're going to go back down and back up and back down and back up. And we're going to hold here for a second. See, in this position, the risk is that the person on top could go forward. And if they go forward, they don't have the arms to brace. So that's where you might want to have a friend just having a hand under her shoulder. Or where maybe in the beginning you don't go up all the way, you just go up half the way until the person on top has like a feeling for what's going on.
But it's basically like a sit-up and a plank. Like both people doing sit-ups and planks, but alternating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like a plank and a sit-up. You both do about the same motion, but you're just flipped.
Like mirrored.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.